परफॉर्म करते हो एंड कॉमेडी क्लब्स जो होते हैं वो पूरा होस्ट करते हैं. नाउ आई जस्ट वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड द एंटायर फाइनेंस साइड और द यूनिट इकोनॉमिक साइड. तो जैसे एक ऑडियंस है जो 2000 रुपीज का टिकट है, अज्यूमिंग कि लेट्स से 1000 लोग अगर सपोज आते हैं वो शो में, तो ये हो गया 20 लाख का रेवेन्यू. अब इसमें से ये जानना है कि क्या कॉस्ट होते हैं, फिर मतलब कौन किसको पे करता है, ये 20 लाख किसके पास गया, कॉमेडियंस यूजुअली कितना चार्ज करते हैं, क्या रेंज पे करते हैं, एंड कैसे होता है यूनिट इकोनॉमिक्स?
टिपिकली अगर 20 लाख पे हो ना, आप समझो कॉमेडियन को मिलता है हाथ में 50% ऑफ दैट.
ओके,
इफ यू सोल्ड आउट द शो, सपोज 20 लाख हुआ, सपोज 2000 की टिकट 1000 टिकट उससे बेची, 20 लाख हुआ, तो उस पे से जो यूनिट इकोनॉमिक्स है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू द कॉस्ट ऑफ द ऑडिटोरियम. एंड मतलब 1000 का ऑडिटोरियम बोलिए, टॉकिंग अबाउट अ गुड ऑडिटोरियम. एंड आजकल स्पेशली आफ्टर द पैंडेमिक ऑल दीज ऑडिटोरियम्स हैव बिकम क्रेजी एक्सपेंसिव. तो एक तो ऑडिटोरियम का कॉस्ट हो गया. फिर सेकेंडली हुआ प्रोडक्शन का. यू नीड लाइट्स, यू नीड एन एलईडी स्क्रीन बिहाइंड, यू नो, थोड़ा तो रिच लगेगा अगर आपने इतना अच्छा स्टेडियम ऑडिटोरियम बेचा है. यू कैन कम एंड परफॉर्म इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ कर्टन. तो आप एक एलईडी स्क्रीन लगाओगे. आज एलईडी स्क्रीन जस्ट लाख 1.5 लाख की आती है हायरिंग. यू नो, देन यू विल पुट साउंड, यू विल पुट दिस, यू विल हैव टू गेट लाइसेंसेस, you have to pay for licenses. You have to have like a performance license. Sometimes in auditoriums you have more than 500 people. You have to apply for a censor certificate. You have to give a copy of the script to the board. They approve 18 plus rating that you see that there are no 16-year-old kids, only 18-year-old plus का rating आता है. License is cost. Sometimes you have to take police permissions. Okay. Sometimes if you have a big show like 5,000, like then you have to take, depending upon, you have to take insurance. You have to take sometimes fire brigade license. You know, so all these license, एक license है उसके तो cost वो हो गए. Okay, then you'll list your show in Book My Show, right? Book My Show also charges, or any other like a district or Book My Show, any of the they charge the commissions. It can vary any from 6% to 10%. So every ticket they take 6 to 10% हो गया. Okay, फिर GST 18% is GST. आप 1000 की टिकट लेते हो, any ticket over 499 उस पे GST लगता है. तो अभी बिगर आर्टिस्ट होगा, उसने 2000 की टिकट पे, तो उस पर 18% तो चला गया, जीएसटी में चला गया. 10% बुक माई शो ले गया, तो आपका 28% वो चला गया. रेंट वेंट ये सब काट कूट के यू द आर्टिस्ट के हाथ में. हाँ, देन व्हाट यू विल हैव, ऑन द डे ऑफ द शो यू विल हैव अशर्स guiding those 1000 people to their seats. You have to pay for those ushers. You have to have your back end team, okay, who will, you know, see that there are no problems. If you're playing music in that thing, suppose before the artist you're playing some music for the audience to settle down, may you have to take music licenses for that, IPRS जो भी होते हैं, you know. And so all these licensing cost, ये cost, वो cost, GST, वो सब करा के फिर जो भी होगा वो TDS तो ठीक है मिल जाता है आपको. But whatever, I'm just saying that you can assume artist would make 40 to 50% of that. So अगर 20 लाख हो, he may make up to 8-9 lakhs, you know. तो प्लस उसकी एजेंसी होती है,
उसका कमीशन
होता है, उसका 10-15% कमीशन एजेंसी लेती है. The agency who handles the artist, so they're running around, they have organized the show, you know. And you don't forget, sometimes like आजकल ऑडिटोरियम्स मिलना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, तो यू हैव टू बुक इन 6 months in advance. तो अब कोई ऑडिटोरियम में बोलेगा सर मेरा 4 लाख का है ऑडिटोरियम कॉस्ट, ये सैटरडे अवेलेबल है इन दिसंबर, आज मुझे 2 लाख पे करो.
बाप रे.
तो वो कॉस्ट ऑफ मनी तो भूल ही जाओ आप, वो 6 महीना वो पड़ा है उधर, वो आप भूल जाओ, यू नो. And then maybe that so a lot of these things are there. There are a lot of hidden costs are there. Then you have the crew that day who was helping you. उनको खाना पीना होता है, सैंडविचेस आएगी उनके लिए, यू नो, ड्रिंक्स, सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स आएंगी, व्हाटएवर, उनको भी, यू नो, दे आर वर्किंग फ्रॉम 2 o'clock, साउंड चेक होएगा, ये होगा वो होगा. तो इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ कॉस्ट अटैच्ड टू इट.
तो इसमें मतलब रेवेन्यू शेयरिंग होता है क्या, कि जितना सेल्स होगा उसका सर्टेन परसेंटेज कॉमेडियन को जाएगा या उसको फिक्स्ड फी मिलेगा?
Depends from show to show. Okay. So there are 2 things. So one is a promoter will come to you. You are a promoter. You say, Atul, I want you. I am from Jaipur. Okay. So I'll say, अच्छा sir, कितना थे? 1000 seater है. Okay. So I'll know. I'll say, चलो, I know. Suppose we take the same economics, 1000 into 2000, 20 लाख का शो है. अभी लेकिन he is paying me. I know that इसका इतना कॉस्ट तो रहेगा ही. ऑडिटोरियम होगा, मे बी जयपुर है तो स्लाइटली सस्ता रहेगा, बॉम्बे का रेट नहीं रहेगा, ये होगा वो होगा. सो आई विल से चलो ठीक है ना. आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट दैट ideally most people they should earn at least 20-25%. ये तो धंधे में आएगा ना, क्योंकि धंधे में आएगा, you know. For 5% is not going to risk so much. So I will say चलो ठीक है, तब 10 लाख चला गया, बाकी ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट में 25% उसको दे दिया, चलो. So I'll tell him, sir, I'll charge you 7.5 lakh fixed fee. 7.5 lakh fixed fee. तो उसमें फिर क्या है ना, मेरी अभी मजबूरी, I mean now obviously there's a responsibility for me also to sell tickets as a comedian, putting it on my social media, telling people. He will say tomorrow, sir, मैं जयपुर में I've tied up with a local FM player, please come and take an interview. So I have to give that time. Online जाके interview करो उसके साथ phone पे, maybe give some shout out videos. Some maybe he must have tied up with Jaipur Times or Times of India Jaipur. एक interview publish होगी तो वो, so you have to, finally the show has to be, you as comedians also you want your show to be full, Plus he will spend also money on advertising, maybe on Meta पे, Instagram पे advertising करेगा, maybe he'll put up local banners over there, maybe he'll put up in the local newspaper over there, खर्चा तो सबका है. So sometimes it depends upon, from city to city how it works.
And fixed fee, I assume corporate events, corporate talk shows.
That is so. One is you are talked about the live shows. अभी फिर corporate shows होते हैं.
Okay.
Corporate shows होते हैं, private parties होती हैं, किसका 50th birthday है, किसकी 25th anniversary है. Sometimes now they are even calling comedians for wedding shows.
Yeah.
2 days before the show, come in, there's a comedy show, it's a part of entertainment,
Right.
So wedding shows, private shows, corporate shows, and that's where you can make your money out of. Depending from artist to artist, you can charge what are your charges up. Everybody has their own charge to it. And then we comedians are also writers. So we get, we sometimes do. So there are two types of comedians. Sometimes a comedian will have a lot of social media following. So brands will approach him. Okay, so a comedian supposing has 2-3 million followers on Instagram. So brands will say, suppose he's a young 20, let's talk for example, Samay, if you're talking, because you mentioned Samay earlier. I don't know right now how many followers Samay has on Instagram, but brands may approach him. Okay, why don't you, he's a young guy. Okay, let's promote this jeans ka brand through him. Yeah. So Levi's may approach him. He may do a small brand video for them. He may make money out of that, where he's written the ad himself, he shot it himself and delivered it to the brand. Sometimes, I know some of the big comedians, they have done they have invested in startups and all, where they are advertising for the startup, but they have got some equity stake in that.
Correct.
Like I know Jacqueline Fernandez long time back, the raw pressery jo hai, the juice ka drink. I think she was one of the first artists. She was obviously Bollywood, where she got a stake in that raw pressery. What I read, I don't know, abhi tak hai kya nahi unka. So like that, even comedians are getting into that. Some of the big comedians are getting into that space where they get these brand deals, things like that. Then we do get writing opportunities, like IFA Awards. Last so many years, they are written by fellow comedians.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Shah Rukh is very funny. Salman is funny. Who are those guys? Jo last mein, I think, who was that guy? Vicky Kaushal was hosting it. I think Ayushmann Khurrana. But they are so busy. They don't have to sit and time write jokes. So they're written by comedians like us. A writer room. They get 4-5 comedians who write jokes. Run it through the artist, sit with the artist,
And how much one can charge here in this?
I don't know. Depends from show to show.
Okay. But is it on a let's say, per word basis?
No. It's for the assignment.
Achha, for the entire.
So they'll say it's a 2-hour show. ऐसे hai, you have to write the script for Vicky Kaushal. You have to write the script for this. And then 2-3 बीच में gags होंगे, where they'll call somebody, make them dance. कुछ ना करते रहते हैं ना वो show पे. I don't follow too much of these shows, but they're full like वो entertainment show करना है उसको.
Right.
Sometimes the audience he will jump into the audience, he will talk to stars. वो क्या पूछना है उसको.
अच्छा वो भी लिख के देते हैं.
हाँ to a large extent. वो उसको थोड़ी time है यार, he's so busy. Vicky Kaushal is shooting day in day out for his movies. उसको थोड़ी time बैठ के jokes लिखेगा, and it has to be funny. Finally it's going on TV, it's going on Sony or Colors, जहाँ भी जाता है वो. The live audience has to enjoy it. So these are all written jokes. So teleprompters होते हैं उनके, cue cards होते हैं उनको.
Wow. If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.